Are you somebody that has trouble with tire pressure? Well, look no further. Giraffe Tools has created this tire inflator portable air compressor that you could connect to your cigarette lighter, which is 12 volt, inside your vehicle. The nice thing about it is it has a locking mechanism that connects to this valve stem on your tire. And then it also has a retractable cord that's very long that you're able to plug this into the cigarette lighter in your vehicle. And then of course, to retract it, you just hit this orange button right here, and then it'll retract in. Also comes with the manual and a portable bag, so that way you could store it out of the way and always make sure it's in your car for those emergencies. Now, to use it, you're gonna plug it into your cigarette lighter, make sure your vehicle is on, plug it into the valve stem on the tire that is low, and then it's gonna read the tire pressure. Afterwards, you're gonna plug in what the tire pressure needs to be, and then sit back, relax, and let it pump up the air in your tire. So I'm gonna go do that right now for you and demonstrate how easy it is to use. Now, you're gonna wanna make sure that the car is on before plugging it in. We could connect it to the tire. So right now, the current pressure of the front tire is 35 PSI. I'm gonna program that by hitting the M and then make sure it's on PSI. I'm gonna select 40. Just like that, it automatically shuts off once it reaches the level that you program into the device. Put your cap back on and you're ready to get back on the road. Two more things about this product, which is nice, is that there is a light on top in case this is at nighttime. All you have to do is hit it. It has a little LED light. And on the back side, there's a little compartment that has all different attachments for whatever kind of tire that you're trying to fill up. Giraffe tire inflator portable air compressor is something that everybody should have in their vehicle. Thanks again for watching, and good luck for your purchase.